السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Today we will talk about the timeline. So we have here the track of the video and the track of the audio. About the audio we can expand it and also we can expand the track of the audio. If we want to just add tracks, we can just click here, and if we want to delete track we can just click here, and if we want to rename it we can just click here. There is a lot of options. For example, here we have the continuous images in the video. If we want to have to not have the continuous video thumbnails, we can just click here and it disappears. So another option, if we want to have the continuous images in the full timeline, we can just click continuous for video thumbnails. That's about this. About another thing, it's this. If we want to expand all tracks we can just click here, and if we want to minimize all tracks we can just click here. That's a very good thing to know. And another thing, it's about customize video header, for example. So we can just for example put this here or here, and we can put this here, for example, and click OK, and it will be changed automatically. That's it, like this. You watch it, and I will change this, for example, just you can just see it here, my friends. Okay, we will click OK, and we will see the difference here. Customize this here, this here, this here, this here, 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 yes. Okay, and we will click OK, and we will just see our changements. It will be here. Just change this here, and this here, and this here. It's all okay. As you see, it will be applied for all of the video, like this. You can customize it also. Want to have this here and this here, and it will be the same thing for the other thing. That you want to add a frame here. This is the frame that we have added there. You can add a frame, for example, here. This is the frame that we have added. So I think that's all for today. About the timeline, we can expand it or minimize it here. So if you have any question let a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and share it. Thank you so much and goodbye.